So today we are going to learn how to solve a quadratic equation. Now solving a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So where a not equal to 0. So any equation which is in the form of a square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called the quadratic equation. Now how to solve this type of a quadratic equation? We can solve the quadratic equation by three methods. So one is factorization method, second one is a formula method, and third one is completing the square method. So now factorization method already you learned in the lower classes, in 8th and 9th standard you learned factorization method. So today we are going to discuss how to solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Now generally let us take an example of an equation 3x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation where the x is the variable, the degree of x is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Now let us try by the first method, factorization method. So now by multiplying the coefficient of x square 3 and 1, I will get a 3. The last sign is a plus. Now according to the rule of the factorization, the product of the number or factor should be 3 and the addition of those factors should be 2. Therefore, there is no factors where the product will give 3 and addition is 5. So therefore, it is not possible by the method of factorization. Therefore, it need not be by either formula method or it may be by completing square method. You can solve by any method. If it is not factorizable, generally we will go by method either formula method or completing square method. So in the examination, if the question is asked solve by formula method, even though it is a factorizable, you have to solve by formula method only. Now what is the formula for the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? So now formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So what are ABC here? A is a coefficient of x square. So that is a degree 2, what you call it as, that is A is a coefficient of x square. I think now writing you can understand. So now B is a coefficient of the x and C is a constant. So now to find these coefficients A, B, C, the first condition is you have to arrange the quadratic equation in the standard form only. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In that standard form only you have to bring it. Then you have to find the value of a, b and c. So once you got the value of a, b, c, then substitute in the formula and you will be finding the roots. So how many roots I will get? You know that quadratic equation, the degree of the x is 2. Therefore, the number of roots are 2 here. So therefore, always quadratic equation has at most 2 roots. So therefore, now let us find the roots of this quadratic equation now. Now how to solve the quadratic equation by formula method? Now I will go for the first example now. So example 1. So x square or 2x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Now it is in the standard form. Now I am going to compare this with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when you just compare this, so what is the value of a? The value of the a will be 2. And the value of b, here the coefficient of x is nothing, means you should be taken as a 1. Therefore, the value along with the sign you have to take, the value of the b will be equal to minus 1. Then what is the value of c? The value of the c is equal to 1. So now once you get the value of a, b and c, write the formula x equals minus b plus a root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So for x equal to minus is a formula sign. So what is the value of the b? It is a minus 1 plus or minus root of b value is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into the value of a is 2, the value of c is 1 and whole divided by 2 into 2. Now once you substituted in the formula, so then the next one is very important. Therefore simplification, minus of minus 1 is a plus 1 plus or minus root of negative of the even power. So even power it may be 2 or a 4 or a 6, whatever the number even power, it always a positive. Here the 2, the negative number changes into plus, 1 square is a 1. Then multiply all the 3, this minus remain because there is no negative sign in all the 3. Therefore 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 1 is 8 again. Therefore it is a 2 into 2 is a 4. Now we'll simplify what is inside the bracket. 1 minus 8 is minus 7 whole divided by 4. So now we got 1 plus or minus root of minus 7 divided by 4, that is x. Now I told it has 2 roots, but I got the only one. But we will say here plus or minus, one is a plus root, another one is a minus root. Therefore the roots of this quadratic equation is 1 plus root of minus 7 divided by 4 and another root is minus 1 minus root of minus 7 divided by 4. So these are the 2 roots of this quadratic equation. This method of solving a quadratic equation called as formula method, and this was initially given by one of the great mathematicians called Sridharas. It is also called as a Sridharas method of solving a quadratic equation. Either you can call it as a formula method or you can call it as a Sridharas method. Now let us take the one more example of solving the quadratic equation. Now if the equation which is in the form of, let us take 4x minus 3x square equal to 5. No, it is a quadratic equation. Why it is called as a quadratic equation? For x is the variable, the highest degree of this equation is a 2, therefore it is called as a quadratic equation. But this quadratic equation is not in the standard form. I told you it should be in the standard form, therefore it should be arranged in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So therefore now let us arrange the terms by the arranging or by transposing. Now the first term I want x square, which is a negative term. Therefore I am going to transpose minus 3x square to the RHS, then it become a 3x square. The next followed by the x, that is a 4l transpose plus 4x, it is a plus 4x, now it becomes a minus 4x. Now these two terms which are in LHS are transposed to the RHS, therefore the sign changes. 5 which is already in the RHS, it has a plus sign, therefore that remains as a plus 5 equal to 0. Now your equation is in the standard form, that is 3x square minus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now once you got the equation in the standard form, compare this to a standard form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now find the values. A value is 3 and b value is, along with the sign you have to take minus 4, and c value is equal to 5. So once you got the value of a, b, c, then substitute in the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute x is equal to minus of b value is minus 4 plus or minus root of b square is minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a value is 3, c value is 5 whole divided by 2 of 3. So now we will go for the simplification. Minus of minus is plus 4 plus or minus root of minus 4 whole square is 16 minus 4 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 16 divided by 2 3 is a 6. Now we will go for the next simplification, that is 4 plus or minus 16 minus 60. Here the subtraction, greater number is 60, the sign of the 60 is minus. 10 minus 6, that will be 4, and it is a 5 remaining. 5 minus 1 is a 4. It is a 44 divided by 6. Then that is equal to 4 plus or minus 44. I can split into two factors, where one of the factor will be a square number. For this I can split 4 into minus 11. 4 into minus 11, I will get back the minus 44 again, whole divided by 6. Then 4. Then when you take out this 4 from the square root, the square root of 4, already you know the square root of 4 will be 2. The left out inside the root is a minus 11 divided by 6. Now some of them have a doubt. Can we cancel this 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, or can we cancel 2 2s are 2 3s are? Now the 6, which is a whole divided, now it is called binomial surd here. 4 is a one term, 2 root of minus 7 is another term. This 6 should be belongs to both. That means you want to split or you want to divide, first you have to share it, just like it is you are sharing with your brother or sharing with the sister. It is. Once you share, you can cancel 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore your answer is 2 by 3 plus or minus root of minus 11 by 3. Now instead of this, so what the steps you have written? Instead of this, you can also do by, see now for 2 and 4, you have a common 2. If you take out the 2, the left out is your 2 plus or minus root of minus 11 whole divided by 6. So now the 2 I can cancel, which is outside the bracket. I remove the common. 2 1s are 2 3s. So therefore your answer is 2 plus or minus root of minus 11 by 3. So now it has a 2 roots. One is a 2 plus root of minus 11 by 3, or another one is 2 minus of root of minus 11 by 3. So this is the method of solving a quadratic equation by the method called as formula method. Thank you.